Mark Levine, XL Bradshaw Management Group. Now, it's summertime, Memorial Day just passed, so what better time than to talk about barbecue safety in the New York City area? Now, this doesn't apply to you on Long Island. I actually live in the suburbs, so I'm also not needing to comply with these rules, but it's really important that everybody should be aware of the propane restrictions in New York City, what you can and what you can't do, and what you can and what you can't use. Now, right here, I do have a propane grill. If you live in an apartment building that's greater than 3 units, a multifamily dwelling, you're not even allowed to have propane stored on site. You're not allowed to cook with it at any time, regardless of the building that we're talking about or the size. You're not allowed to cook with propane on any roofs, on any balconies, or on any terraces. You also cannot cook anywhere with anything within 10 feet of a building. So if you have a small balcony, you pretty much are out of luck. Now, there's different options versus the propane that may be a little safer for you, and what that may be is the electric grill. I'm thinking something along the lines of a George Foreman or something larger. Also, you may have the possibility where you are in your specific situation to have a hard gas line run through so that instead of the propane tank, you're actually heating up the grill with a firm gas line. So that you'd have to check with an architect about to see if it's available to you, and there may be filing fees and other ancillary fees that you may expect to endure. So if you do have a terrace that maybe has some tiling down or some cement or maybe some bricks, you could probably get away with that as long as it's 10 feet away from the building and you're not using it inside or under an overhang. Some things just to keep in mind when you are grilling, no matter how you're grilling, is always have a garden hose that's fully charged at the ready, or a bucket full of water or a bucket full of sand. There's a great summer ahead of us, so I just want to make sure that everybody's keeping safe and also keeping the occupants in your building safe. Now, if you want to find the full FDNY requirements, or at least the guidelines, you can head on over to our website, ebmg.com. In the video, I'm going to put a link to the actual page that has the downloadable PDF. If you want to follow us on Facebook, you can like us at facebook.com/XLBradshaw. If you want to follow us on Twitter, that's twitter.com/XLBradshaw. We are at XLBradshaw. If you want to email me, I love taking suggestions from anybody and everybody, and I'm glad to take those questions and make them into these video segments for everybody to hear the answers to. You can email me at mblevine@ebmg.com, and you can visit our corporate website at ebmg.com. So I hope everybody enjoys their summer and keeps it safe out there. Till next time.